Everyone, my name's Caiden and this is my 2006 S60 R. I've done lots of modifications to this car. Mainly I have an IPD 4T4 turbo, I have a front mount intercooler, and I have silicone replacement lines everywhere on this car. So as you guys can see, I am running our IPD billet dress up kit for our engine here. We have billet acorn nuts and billet spark plug cover bolts right here. Beautiful addition to the car. As well, I do have our IPD oil cap right here. This is again billet metal. Be careful, it does get a little hot. Along with in the engine bay, kind of hard to point out, but I do have our IPD silicone radiator hoses and expansion tank lines. Awesome addition to the car. And back here, you guys can't see it, but this is actually an IPD 4T4 turbo. Hands down, best upgrade to the car. As you can see, we're on the inside of my car now, and you might also see it has the bright orange Atacama interior on it. It's totally quirky, and I love it. I also do have a custom reupholstered steering wheel and shift knob for my buddy Mechanism R on Instagram. He does phenomenal work. I also am sporting our IPD boost gauge with pod holder. It snakes in there between the A-pillar and the dash and looks totally OEM. It is perfect. As you guys can also see, I do sport the stock head unit. I love the look of it. It's totally retro. And you might be asking, how do I connect my phone to it? I use our audio GROM system for this, and I have it hooked up to a subwoofer. Perfect sound system in these cars, it really is. So right here, I am running a set of work VSTX wheels off a Ferrari 360. Pretty cool. Ferraris and Volvos both share the 5x108 bolt pattern, and I actually got these through a buddy on Instagram called 5x108 heavyweight wheels. As you can see, I'm also lower than most other Volvos. I am using AirTech 3P air suspension and love it. So I am running an IPD tune on this car. It makes 300 wheel horsepower on an all-wheel drive dyno jet and 315 foot-pounds of torque to the wheels. So pretty impressive. Even though I am running factory boost level, about 14 PSI, it sure gets down. And as many of us P2 guys know, it's pretty lackluster out there for tuners. And right now I can say this has been reliable for me. I daily drive the car. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to call in. I'm happy to chat about it.